What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna go surprise my girl. I'm about to go and take her wheels off her C10, go get them polished, but she doesn't know, so I'm gonna go to her house right now. She just left the house, and I'm gonna go put it on jack stands, take the wheels off, take them to get polished because they really need them. They're big time, real bad. So I'm gonna go take them off, take them to my homeboy Lupe. Lupe's detailing. He's gonna fix them up for me, get them looking brand new, and then the next day I'm gonna go put them back on. I just went Christmas shopping yesterday, so I got the truck loaded with gifts. I came to the storage, picked up my truck. I'm heading to her house. Also, I have the first upgrade for the giveaway truck. So do not forget, guys, $10 you spent equals 1 entry for the giveaway truck. And here you go, guys. This is the first mod. I bought the brand new dash for it, complete dash for a 93. Since that one is really bad, I'm gonna replace it pretty soon. So yeah, guys, that's the first upgrade I got for this truck. Do not forget, get your entries in the singlecablife.bigcartel.com. So hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm about to pull out high standards, go to her house real quick, take her wheels off. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one, guys. So let's head over to her house and let's get this video rolling. Alright, guys, so let's head out to my girl's house. Oh, it's tall. Need the ma'am steps. I have the gifts right there. Gonna go put gas in this thing. But let's roll, guys. Alright, guys, so I just got here to her house. I'm about to take off her wheels. This is her truck. I'm gonna get to work to see how this goes. And as y'all know, it's always this one lug nut that kills the whole show. So I loosened all the lug nuts, but there's just one lug nut that every time I put it on there, it starts to spin. So Walmart, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, all those stores are closed. So we're about to go to a homeboy's house. Hopefully he has a socket that fits exactly or a little tight, and we can beat it in and loosen that lug nut real quick. So now we are on our way to homeboy's house right now. Hopefully he can help me with what I need and be able to take those wheels off tonight. I wish how people know how to decorate out here. Look at this. They got this whole lit up to the max. And over there. Look at that. ¿Qué onda, pelao? The Mex Live.
¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? ¿Con quién andas solo?
¿Solo?
Parquéate aquí si quieres.
¿Sí?
Nomás deja espacio para que te puedas bajar.
Alright.
Yo pensaba que iba a amanecer.
No, hombre. Pull out the phone. So last night I went to the homeboy's house, got some tools he helped me with to take that lug nut off because this one lug nut was kind of getting stripped. I got all the wheels out, and then my girl got there on time, so it really wasn't a surprise how I expected it or how I wanted it to be, but I'm still getting her wheels polished. Homeboy just picked them up this morning. I'm running late. I just woke up and I should have been at my storage right now at 9. It's already 9 and I'm about 40 minutes away, but I'm on my way. I will be doing a shoot with my blue truck, the giveaway truck. So I'm heading that way. Homeboy is already there. He hit me up. He told me he was there around 8:40. So I'm running a little late because I was waiting on the guy with the wheels so he could pick them up at my house. And later on today, we're gonna go pick them up. They will be ready in the afternoon, he said. It was late already, so I did not get to do a video of what they looked before, but they are gonna look brand new now. So we'll wait till later on. Homeboy hits me up and we go pick them up, but for now I'm on my way to the storage and we're about to go do a shoot and a couple videos with the giveaway truck. Big shout outs to my brother-in-law Gaito Grillers for the hat, the new hat of La Movida, badass logo. If you have not followed the page, please do so. Head that way, guys. Follow the page La Movida on Instagram. They got some bad content. Woo!
What up,
What's
bro?
up, man?
How you doing?
Good.
What's the plan?
So I have a little spot right there. So we're gonna. The truck's dirty, so we'll probably head to a car wash and do something right there at the car wash.
Yeah.
And then from there we can head out to like City Center.
Yeah, that's fine. I was thinking we could do the rolling shots last.
Okay.
As long as we find a good spot to do like the still shots after the car wash, I guess, and that's it.
Okay, cool.
Fuck it.
Just follow me. Here it is, guys. The giveaway truck. It will be getting a new paint job, full interior. The interior is pretty bad, just the dash is bad and the seat. But I'm gonna do the whole interior on it. 17 by 11 look. Shit, it's gonna be a real nice giveaway truck, guys. Do not miss out on these entries. Cop the merch. Y vámonos recio. Al llavazo prende esta, primo. No le falla ni madres. Al llavazo prende, primo, esta. Nomás le falta carretera a la culera. I will be replacing the dash soon. This one is pretty bad. It's pretty broken because of all the sunlight and all that, so it's not in its best days, but we're gonna get this truck right on point for you guys. No lights. This thing runs like a dream. It runs just like at the lot on 93. My boy student driver doing his thing. So I just finished watching the Mama Malone, and here it is, guys. Now it's all shined up. I'm not gonna dry it because it needs clear, so there's no point for it, but here it is after a good wash. The big tools gotta keep them clean. My boy in the mix. There's side. No cracks on the bed. It's very rare to find one without cracks because all these step sides have some kind of defect, but this one doesn't. This one's straight all the way. Don't mind the paper plate. But here it is. I'm gonna call it La Chalino for now. So we just finished washing the truck. Now we're gonna head out to City Center. It's a real nice place to take shots, and then after that we're gonna do a few rollers, and let's see what we do from there. So I am just pulling up to City Center. It's a nice place to take shots. For those who are looking for nice places to take shots, this is the place to be. And it's nice because today is Christmas and everything is closed, so there's nobody here, and it's perfect for what I'm doing right now. ¿Está bien aquí? ¿Por dónde? Ahí está.
Ponte ahí, güey.
¿Dónde? ¿Atravesado?
En medio atravesado.
So right here, perfect. There's nobody here. We are not gonna bother anybody. Just perfect. look what my girl got me for Christmas, guys. The Single Cab Life plaque. Perfect. So there you have it, guys. It's a little photo shoot for the truck, the giveaway truck. It's a 4-month giveaway. Started December 16, ends at April 16. Every $10 you spend equals 1 entry for the chance to win the truck. A few more upgrades will be coming in soon. New paint, new interior, new wheels, a sound system, and let's get this ball rolling, guys. Cop the merch, the singlecablife.bigcartel.com. As many entries as you get, the more chance you have to win the truck. There you have it, guys. Clean 93 OBS. This hood is gonna go out of here. I don't know why the hell they put that on there, but that's how I got it. I'm doing the 2-inch cowl hood, so that hood is leaving. The mirrors are gonna be taken off as well. I'm gonna be doing the sport mirrors, new paint job, new wheel setup, new interior. It's gonna be a real nice truck, guys. So now I'm just waiting for the guy that is polishing my girl's wheels to be done with them, so I can hop on Mega Man again, head that way. So we are out here with Cocteles El Gordito. Allá está el Cocteles Club. Came to get some bomb ass cocteles, me and my girl. We are almost about to go pick up the wheels. The guy just hit me up. He said that they're almost done, so give him about 40 minutes and then we'll head back that way, go pick up the wheels. Always pulling up on the coaster. That's when it's a beast. So homeboy Dupe's Detailing finished my girl's wheels. Check out his work. And here they are. They were way better than what it looked like before. They were real bad. Now they look in glass. Gallito Grillers' truck. Cheesecake Rush. My monster. And that was it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell for the next video notification. And I catch you on the next one. Peace.